Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to change the login picture for your Windows 11 PC. To remove or update your user account picture in Windows 10 or 11, follow the steps in this video. Let's start. Click on Start menu and open Settings. Then open the Accounts menu. Under Account Settings, click on your Info option. Right here, you can see two options. Take a photo directly using your webcam. The second option is to choose a file. Click Browse File and upload the pic you want to set as your user account pic. Now the user pic is successfully changed. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.